Welcome to Practice Power Tips with KLAS Solutions. If you're thinking about selling your dental practice in the next few years, what you do today directly impacts your sale price. I've guided over hundreds of practice transitions, and I can tell you the practices itself for top dollar don't start preparing 6 months before listing. They start now. Here's your blueprint for maximizing your practice value. And yes, this applies to everyone, even if you're 5 to 10 years out from selling. First, the biggest mistake, messy financials. Buyers walk away when they can't trust your numbers. What's the solution? Get to 18 to 24 months of reconciled P&Ls. Categorize everything and have your accountant review them or have KLAS Solutions review them. One practice I worked with increased their offer by $240,000 simply by cleaning up their books. Start this quarter, reconcile monthly, categorize correctly, and document everything. I cannot emphasize that enough. Second, inconsistent revenues kill valuations. What do buyers want? They want predictable cash flow. A practice with good collections, implemented membership plans, and systematic recalls. They want to see achieving 22% smoother revenue and 89% retentions. So what's your move? Review your last 24 months. Identify revenue gaps and implement systems to create consistency. Smooth, predictable income commands premium multiples. Third, staff retention makes and breaks a transitions. Don't surprise your team at closing. This is something I see all too much. One practice lost 40% of the staff, keeping them in the dark. So we shifted to early transparency with retention bonuses that resulted in 95% retention. Here's something that you can implement. 6 months pre-sale, talk to your top 5 employees. Create retention agreements that align everyone's interests, protect them, and equal out that protected value throughout the office so that the whole office produces goodwill to the oncoming buyer. Collection percentages, active patient growth, case acceptance. You should be at 98% collection, and if not, you need to get there. 3 to 5% patient growth, 85% or more in case acceptance. One practice discovered 91% collections, fixed their system, and they added $8,000 monthly. Below target, fix revenue cycle and treatment coordinator training. Well, document everything in operations manuals. Buyers pay for the systems that you're running without you. What's the game changer? Offer a 90 to 100-day transition as an associate post-sale. This gets you 15 to 20% higher pricing because buyers feel secure. They know the goodwill is going to transfer over. Nearly 100% patient retention when done right. But put it in your letter of intent up front. It's major negotiation leverage. Yes, it requires working for someone else temporarily, but the payoff is substantial and you build a reputation for smooth transitions. So here's your timeline according to me. First, clean up your financials with your CPA or your accountant. Second, stabilize collections, retention, and production. Third, secure key employees. And lastly, document all systems. Start with financials this month. Add one component monthly. You don't need perfection, you need consistent progress. 18 months of this preparation can add hundreds of thousands to your sale price. So what's the bottom line? Well, practices selling for top dollar in 2026, they're going to be because they started preparing years ago. The best time to start was 2 years ago. The second best time is today with our lifetime practice valuation. Click the link below to see our seller's transition guide or book a free strategy session. Start building your competitive advantage now.